Last year, we had the team from Windows Plus out to our home to provide an estimate for a window replacement project we were considering. From the very beginning, they were professional, knowledgeable, and easy to work with. During the appointment, our salesperson surprised us with a Condo Vacation Voucher as an incentive for choosing their company, which definitely caught our attention. As a family, we always try to plan a few vacations each year, especially during spring break with the kids, so it was something that genuinely excited us. We decided to take advantage of the vacation opportunity and book a trip to Italy, which had always been on our family's bucket list. After looking through different destinations, we found an incredible property in Rome that completely exceeded our expectations. The resort had a stunning European-style design with beautiful marble finishes throughout, and it truly felt like something out of a movie. While we were in Italy, we were able to experience so many unforgettable moments together as a family. We toured the iconic Colosseum, participated in a hands-on cooking class where we learned to make authentic Italian dishes, and even took a day trip to Pompeii to experience the history and ruins firsthand. One of the highlights of the trip was visiting the breathtaking Amalfi Coast, which was every bit as beautiful as people say it is. We also spent time shopping and exploring downtown Rome, soaking in the culture, food, and atmosphere. This ended up being one of the most memorable vacations our family has ever taken, and it's something we'll be talking about for years to come. Honestly, none of it would have been possible without the team at Windows Plus. The vacation voucher helped us save a significant amount on our accommodations, which made the trip much more affordable for our family. We're incredibly thankful for both the experience we had with Windows Plus and the memories we were able to create because of it. Thank you again to the entire team for such an amazing opportunity.